Welcome to this lesson on radio waves, the longest wavelength electromagnetic radiation. Radio waves are fundamental to modern communication technology, powering everything from broadcast radio and television to wireless internet and satellite systems. Radio waves are a type of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths ranging from 1 millimeter to 100 kilometers. Their frequency spans from 3 kHz to 300 GHz. Because they have the longest wavelengths, radio waves occupy the lowest energy end of the electromagnetic spectrum. In the electromagnetic spectrum, radio waves have the distinction of having the longest wavelength of all electromagnetic radiation. They sit at one end of the spectrum, followed by microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. As wavelength increases, frequency and energy decrease. All electromagnetic waves obey a fundamental relationship. The speed of light equals wavelength times frequency. The speed of light is approximately 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. This means that as wavelength increases, frequency must decrease to maintain this constant speed. Radio waves have long wavelengths and correspondingly low frequencies. Radio waves have several important properties. They travel at the speed of light in a vacuum. They can penetrate through walls and the Earth's atmosphere, making them ideal for communication. They reflect off surfaces and the ionosphere, enabling long-distance transmission. Despite their long wavelengths, they carry the lowest energy of all electromagnetic radiation. Radio waves are the backbone of radio communication systems. AM and FM radio broadcasting use radio waves to transmit audio over long distances. Satellite communication relies on radio waves for GPS navigation, weather monitoring, and data transmission. Mobile networks use radio waves to provide cellular phone service and mobile internet connectivity. Beyond traditional radio, these waves power numerous wireless technologies. Television broadcasting uses radio waves to transmit both video and audio signals. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technologies use specific radio frequencies to enable wireless internet and device connectivity. Radio astronomy uses radio waves to study distant stars, galaxies, and other celestial phenomena. To summarize, radio waves are the longest wavelength form of electromagnetic radiation. They are essential for modern wireless communication systems, enabling everything from simple radio broadcasts to complex satellite networks. Without radio waves, technologies like broadcasting, wireless networking, and remote sensing would not be possible.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.